What do you think will happen when we combine concentrated nitric acid with a lithium-sodium alloy? Check this out. For this reaction, we're using 16 molar concentrated nitric acid, elemental lithium, and elemental sodium. If you remember, lithium is the lightest alkali metal on Earth. You can see it floating in mineral oil. It was discovered in 1817 by the Swedish chemist Johan RamZland while he was analyzing the mineral petalite. Begin by cutting a small piece of lithium. It's a little harder to cut than sodium, but it still has that bright, shiny luster that'll soon have the dark gray oxide layer that'll form. And add this to your beaker of mineral oil, and we're going to heat this up with our sodium to make a lithium-sodium alloy. If you recall, sodium is also an alkali metal having only 11 protons. It's a little denser than lithium. It was discovered in 1807 by Sir Humphry Davy through the electrolysis of sodium hydroxide. In the same way, cut a small piece of sodium that's about the same size as the lithium that you cut. You can see that bright, shiny, silvery luster underneath. And you're going to add this to your beaker of mineral oil with your lithium, and you're going to heat it up to make a sodium-lithium alloy. Okay, now with your beaker on your hot plate, set your hot plate to low as you add your piece of sodium and lithium to your mineral oil. As it heats up, stir slowly until the two alkali metals melt together. And here you can start seeing the darker lithium alloy to the sodium. Once your mineral oil is cooled down, add your lithium-sodium alloy to a porcelain crucible for the reaction with concentrated nitric acid. For safety, place the porcelain dish on a ring stand over a flame-retentive blanket behind a blast shield. Okay, and now we're ready to start the reaction with just a few drops of concentrated nitric acid. Here's the balanced equation for this terrific redox reaction. We start with the reactants lithium, sodium, and nitric acid. We have 2 moles of lithium, that's the 2Li. We have 2 moles of sodium, that's the 2Na. And we have 4 moles of concentrated nitric acid, that's the 4HNO3. When those are combined, we get the products lithium nitrate, sodium nitrate, and hydrogen gas. We have 2 moles of lithium nitrate, that's the 2LiNO3. We have 2 moles of sodium nitrate, that's the 2NaNO3. And we have 2 moles of the diatomic molecule of hydrogen gas, that's the 2H2. This is a redox reaction as lithium and sodium are being oxidized as they lose electrons, and the nitric acid is being reduced as the hydrogen ion gains electrons in this terrific reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.